Okay, hi friends. Yeah, I have like charged my phone. Hi Nidhi. Hi Lavdeep. Hi Pushpa. Sorry, some connection problem as the phone battery was low, so I put the charger on it. So guys, just tell me you want the fifth technique to be right now. Just let me know. I will tell you. The fifth technique is so amazing. The last technique. Who all are interested right now to do the fifth technique? It is related like this. Any guesses for this? Hi Pushpa, you want? So okay, I'm making right now doing this. This is my Mon Monte leafing size glue. It is not compulsory, but if you wish to do, you can. This is your fifth technique I'm going to do. I'm taking little bit glue aside with the brush. Hi Richa, hi Divya. Yeah, it is a good file only. So in some areas I am just doing randomly. In some areas I'm using these gold leaves. This is also available with me. Just give that 1 second a rest. So I have kept ready. Paste it and then remove it. We don't want to be look artificial. We want just a little bit particles on it. That's it only. It should look natural. I'm just pasting and then removing. Like this it will complete. It is amazing. Did you like this? After that also just spray this solution again. It has sprayed too much. Like this. Now your all 5 technique is completed, and one I have said you earlier, only one surprise is there. Will tell you वो surprise कब होगा, and will message you in the group. And guys, those who are live today और जो भी जिन्होंने paid की है classes, उनको मैंने ब्रॉडकास्ट ग्रुप में ऐड कर दिया है, राइट। तो उनको जो भी मैं ग्रुप में मटेरियल शेयर करती हूँ, सबसे पहले आप लोगों को शेयर होगा और बाकी के ग्रुप में शेयर होगा, ठीक है। ये बेसिकली स्पिरिट है, ये आपको कोई भी केमिस्ट की शॉप में मिल जाएगा। मैं इसका फोटो डालूंगी तभी आप समझोगे ये कौन सा लिक्विड है एग्जैक्टली। ओके रिचा, डिड योर क्वेश्चन इज सॉल्व्ड और नॉट? Do we need any glitter inks also instead of gilding? No, 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 no glitter inks. वो कंपल्सरी नहीं है, अगर आप लेना चाहते हो तो ले सकते हो। इट इज फ्रॉम माई साइड, इट इज नॉट कंपल्सरी। गिल्डिंग मैंने इसलिए यूज किया क्योंकि वो सबके पास होता है, right? And guys, those who will complete this process, just post it in the Facebook, post it in the craftologer page, the Facebook page and the group also. And if you like, just message in the group, that pocket friendly group, that how did you like the class, and all your questions, जो भी आपके डाउट्स थे क्लियर हो गए? नहीं हुए तो आप पूछ सकते हो। एंड आई हैव पोस्टेड दिस फोटो इन द ग्रुप, सी दिस, it is amazing. One offer I am giving to you all for the alcohol ink people. If you want to join this class, we'll give you a 10% discount for tomorrow, for the Sunday offer. To you only, not to everybody. Those who have taken alcohol ink class, the first 5 customers I have messaged, I don't got any customer. So the another one customer is there for the 5. 1600 is the price with the material and the shipping is extra. Those who are interested, the 10% discount will be given. Those who will take the material along with the material. Right? Sorry. जब भी आप ये बना लोगे, आपको पोस्ट करना है ग्रुप में, शेयर कर सकते हो एज मच एज यू कैन. Every month we have a gifts and the giveaways also, right? And one more thing, will come live again for some gift. What is the gift for you all? Okay, bye, take care, thank you. Did you enjoy the class or not? Just let me know. No hearts, no likes, I think all have gone to sleep. Okay, bye, good night, take care.